Welcome back to my channel, my lovely Tiki-Cooks. Anyway, I was in the mood for something sweet and salty, so I went ahead and I made a Redarin banana fritters. However, I added egg because, I needed some more protein. So it's basically a pancake fritters banana. I don't know. But yeah, you can go ahead and you can replace the Redarin with saltfish if that's your thing. But this is how I made mine, so let's get right into it. Oh, and I added saffron. So I have 2 bananas. I'm going to sprinkle a sugar on it to make it a little bit more sweet. And I'm just going to mash it out. Mash it out. I used to make Redarin fritters with curry powder but never with the saffron this time. Okay, alright, so this is some sweet pepper. I'm going to put it in the microwave. Make it soft a little bit because I don't really want a raw sweet pepper. This is some scallion and thyme. Little chive. And put like a minced onion. Poutine. Is it tomato? Coming with what's gonna be my salt, which is Redarin, and of course it's gonna be sweet and salty, so a little cinnamon, yes. I'm gonna call this cheesy banana herring fritters. How say cheesy banana herring fritters. Put little black pepper. Just put a little itty bitty. Put a little bit more. Touch this up. Come in with little down. No. I'm just putting a pinch of salt. And then let's fold in the cheese. Let's fold in the cheese. We gon' come in with, or I don't know what it is, but we gon' come in with it. And let us flip it, Flip it. This is comfort food. Sweet, cheesy, salty. This is comfort food, man.